In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process a refund on Shopify. Whether you're a seasoned online store owner or just starting out, knowing how to navigate through refunds can save you time, enhance customer satisfaction, and keep your business running smoothly. So, let's dive right in and break down the process step by step. The first thing you want to do is open up your web browser and head over to the Shopify admin page. You want to ensure you're logged into your account to access your store. Once you're in, I'd locate and click on the My Store option from the homepage. This will direct you to a central hub where you can manage all aspects of your online store, from inventory to customer data. Ensure that your internet connection is stable, as this will help prevent any hiccups while navigating through various pages on Shopify. From the store's homepage, look for the Orders section on the left-hand navigation bar. Clicking on Orders will display a list of all your recent transactions. Here you can see both completed and pending orders. This is where you'll begin the process of issuing a refund. Now, scroll through the list of orders until you spot the particular transaction you'd like to refund. If necessary, you can use the search bar to filter these orders by customer name or order number, which can definitely save you some time if you have a large volume of transactions. Once you've located the relevant order, click on it to open the order details page. This is where you will find all the essential information about the order, such as payment status, shipment tracking, and product quantities. You might want to quickly review this information to confirm that you're looking at the correct order. After confirming the order details, locate the Refund button. Usually this is found toward the top or bottom of the order details page, depending on the layout. Clicking on Refund will bring up a new screen specifically designed for processing refunds. You'll be able to enter the specific amount you wish to refund, whether that's a partial refund or the full amount. It's crucial to double-check that you've entered the correct refund amount to avoid any errors. Once you're satisfied with the details, go ahead and click Refund to finalize the process. Shopify will process the refund through the original payment method used by the customer. You'll also want to notify the customer about the refund. This can be done via an email confirmation, which Shopify typically sends automatically once the refund is processed. That's it. You've successfully processed a refund on Shopify. As always, make sure to keep detailed records of all refunds within your bookkeeping system for future reference. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!